Welcome. In today's video, we're going to tackle a common issue many Pinterest users face: messages not showing up on their PC after the latest update. If you've been struggling with this problem, don't worry. We've got a series of straightforward steps that can help you get back on track. Step 1. Close and reopen your browser. First, try closing your browser completely and then reopening it. This simple action can often resolve temporary glitches that might be preventing your messages from displaying. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Next, let's ensure your internet connection is stable. Head to the notifications area on your PC and click on the network icon. Make sure you are connected to the internet. A weak or unstable connection can definitely cause issues with loading messages. Step 3. Refresh the Pinterest web page. If your connection is fine, the next step is to refresh the Pinterest page. Click on the refresh icon located at the top left of your browser. This can reload any missing data and potentially fix the message display issue. Step 4. Ask the sender to resend the message. Sometimes, messages may not appear due to a sending error. If possible, ask the person who sent you the message to resend it. This could resolve any issues related to message delivery. Step 5. Restart your device. If the problem persists, try restarting your computer. Press the Windows icon, click on the power icon, and select Shutdown. Wait for about 30 seconds before turning it back on by pressing the power button again. A fresh start can often clear up lingering issues. Step 6. Clear your browser cache and cookies. Another effective solution is clearing your browser's cache and cookies. Click on the 3 dots in the top right corner of your browser, then select Delete Browsing Data. In the new tab that opens, ensure all options are checked and set the time range to all time. Finally, click on Delete Data to clear everything out. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any issues with Pinterest messages not showing up on your PC. If these solutions worked for you, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thank you for watching, and happy pinning.